Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC. And wag na nga nating patagalin pa. Good news is daily time frame is another green candle and average yung volume. Silipin natin yung possible scenario sa lower time frame. So kung makikita natin nagkaroon tayo yesterday ng inverted pin bar and above average yung volume. Currently, BTC is approaching resistance area. Since kung makikita natin sa market structure, puro higher low pa rin yung ginagawa ni BTC. May mga higher low, higher low, higher low, and another higher low. So what we expect sa ganitong scenario, the moment na magkaroon tayo ng rejection sa resistance natin, possible is magkaroon tayo ng retracement. But the moment na basagin ni BTC yung resistance, possible it's only a continuation ng uptrend momentum.